to make a presentation with AI in seconds for teaching? Head to the Fotor AI Slides, select a template, and enter your ideas or teaching outline. Hit the Generate button. Your slides will be generated from text in seconds. After all slides are generated, let's modify the presentation. Hit the image you want to change, click the Generate Image button. Enter the prompt of the images you want. Here I want it to reflect the earth that is related to our teaching theme. Hit the Generate button, you will get the earth image instantly. You can also click on the Edit Photo button to access more AI photo editing tools. Next, click on any texts you want to modify. You will see AI Write. It can help you to rewrite your text to be more engaging or more fun. Last, an engaging classroom presentation should include some quizzes. You can either duplicate a page at the end to create a quiz page, or include instructions for Fotor AI Slides to generate a quiz section when you first input your ideas or outline. And here, you can also use the AI image to generate some images for your quiz. To make the object stand out, you can use the BG remover in the AI photo editing to make it transparent, and add a shadow to it to make it vivid. Last, when everything is perfect fit your needs, hit the download button to save your AI-generated slides. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.